To get more space on status bar on Realme 14 Pro Plus, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here, scroll and go for the notifications and quick settings, and right here go into the status bar. And from here, what I recommend you is actually to change the battery style from horizontal to vertical, and actually you have to disable the battery percentage. And let me just quickly show you. As we set up the horizontal battery style, there is much more space occupied, and as we select a vertical or loop, for example, we have more space. But the vertical one does not occupy as much space. And also additionally you can turn off a couple of these status bar icons if you have some, like for example the Bluetooth, if you don't want to see the icon that you are connected to Bluetooth or you have the Bluetooth enabled. You can also disable the real-time network speed and some other stuff. And as you can see, now we have pretty much a lot of space available right here.